As spring approaches, it's time to take advantage of the outdoors. The summer sky is always clear and blue, making it ideal for a cookout with friends. However, if you want a nice meal with your loved ones without paying for a reservation at a fancy restaurant, an outside barbecue in your garden is a great alternative. Consider the size of your yard, the gardening style you're drawn to, and the features you'd like to incorporate while planning your garden. Building barbecue spaces in a tiny garden requires some ingenuity. However, even if you don't have a lot of room, you can still host the best barbecues with the help of these 10 tips. Look at this and get ready to divide your garden into zones. In the video, we will talk about 10 creative small garden barbecue areas. As always, Simp Home presents you with the list. Number 10. A modern barbecue flank idea. If you have the money, buying high-tech barbecue tools is a dream come true. It simplifies the cooking process by allowing precise control over cooking time and heat with reduced smoke. With these upgraded features and layouts, your modular garden will be a better place to grill in the great outdoors. An extended hardwood table outfitted with a sink and counter space is ideal for installing the barbecue equipment in preparation for cooking. The barbecue area has a contemporary vibe thanks to the white backsplash and the yellowish stone wall. Being a garden and all, you can maintain your aesthetically pleasing planters. Number 9. A wall-mounted barbecue setup. You can still make a beautiful barbecue area even if you only have a little yard space. Fixing something to the wall is a tried and true method for making the most out of a limited amount of floor space. A barbecue hung on the wall can free up a ton of room, allowing you to have a more open layout on the ground. You can install shelves above the grill for storing seasonings and food prep supplies, and beneath it for storing firewood. The white and black geometric tiles create a fun and unpretentious atmosphere. You may have fun with the kids and have some of your own with the enormous chalkboard. Number 8. A decorative Piggy grill. Getting down to the basics is another option for creating a barbecue space in a compact garden. Essential camping gear includes a basic wood or charcoal grill that doesn't require a lot of extra accessories. It's a time-tested design that's a breeze to set up and move around thanks to its wheeled base. On the other hand, simplicity does not automatically imply monotony. Make your barbecue spot your own by adding some personal touches. What you need to grill is this pig. The shape and color will grab people's attention and they'll likely have a good chuckle. Because this form is constructed to order, you can modify it to suit your needs. Number 7. A double worktop table for the barbecue area. It's a good idea to equip your barbecue area with a stove and a sink. For example, you can use the worktop of this outdoor grill for chopping vegetables or preparing meat. The sleek and consistent feel of the industrial finish will elevate any room, even outdoors. Because you won't have to leave the house to clean the vegetables or the dishes, you'll save time and effort. In addition, a kitchen countertop can also double as a bar table for informal dining. Number 6. An electric tabletop grill choice. An electric barbecue is a great option if you have a small garden. It's compact enough to fit in a closet and sturdy enough to use as a table in the garden. There's a wide range of sizes and options available for electric grills. Make sure it has adequate space to accommodate the number of people using it. It's lightweight and compact, making it a convenient option for campers. Because of the efficiency of electric power, preheating to 500 degrees takes less than 7 minutes and only 1.250 watts. There's no need for charcoal, wood, or propane. Because of the increased surface area, you can swiftly grill side dishes of veggies without exposing them to flames while you grill the meat. Moreover, unlike charcoal grills, an electric grill does not accumulate cancer-causing elements. Number 5. Multiple shelving ideas for the barbecue area. By installing more shelves, you can increase the space available for your outdoor kitchen. The condiments, tools, and utensils are all within easy reach. You can't go wrong with a kitchen that's specifically designed for cooking. Then again, it will keep you from entering and leaving the kitchen. Further, the styling is up to individual expression. The area's aesthetic value can be increased by including elements like wooden chopping boards, elegant spice bottles, rustic pots full of herbs, wooden baskets, and gorgeous ceramic tableware. Number 4. The outdoor rustic stone oven for the barbecue area. The rustic look can't go old. The outdoor stone barbecue area is just as inviting and charming as the weather outside. Consider installing a stone stove in your garden if you enjoy outdoor cooking. You can do many different things with it in terms of decoration, and it won't take up much room. Some trees and plants in pots would complete the beautiful basic atmosphere. For a more festive holiday feel, string lights are a great addition. When everything is lined up along a wall, the table and chairs may be placed in front. It will be a fantastic communal kitchen, perfect for hanging out while you whip up a meal. Number 3. A canopy shade idea for the barbecue space. Having to stand in the blistering sun for hours to cook is unpleasant, even if everyone loves the sunshine. To get over it, you'll love the idea of deck shade. You can pick a slatted design where you can still enjoy the sun, but not quite as intensely. On the other hand, the solid deck cover will block the sun. Your barbecue area will go pitch dark and suffocating. Create a little nook to keep it tidy and protected if you have a small garden. In short, this shaded barbecue area is one year-round and ready to use whenever you want. Check SimpHome for more than dozens of alternatives if you're interested in the specific idea. Number 2. Pick a style statement. Grills come in various styles, colors, and sizes, which is a definite plus. If you're in the market for a barbecue, you're not going to be short of choices. Choose a grill with an eye-catching design that will stand out in your backyard. Isn't this the chicest barbecue you've ever seen? This sleek black grill has everything you need: an oval cooking surface, a prep area, a place to store firewood, and a hook for your tools. This proclamation of the future requires very little space. The addition of wheels makes it mobile. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. Spice up your barbecue area with pretty planters. This built-in barbecue area has a modern feel due to the use of a color scheme of crisp white, rich green, and pale wooden planks. Because of the ample seating the bench provides rather than the chairs, this space is excellent for cooking and socializing. The simple lighting fixtures complement the modern wooden slats wall, which looks fantastic when the sun goes down. However, the statement planters are the showstoppers here. The low, lush plants cascade over the wall and line the perimeter. Plants unable to reach a certain height have been strategically chosen to prevent the garden from taking over the barbecue space and giving off a jungle vibe. Still relevant to our ideas, we present our featured resource titled 10 Ideas on Building Backyard Shades. Take one, and you'll find more than one reason to cancel your plan to delay your outdoor barbecue party. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.